Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5 Living Organism and Their Habitats. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which among the following is non-flowering plant or trees? Mango is a flowering plant. People, this is the people is also the flowering plant. Fern is the non-flowering plant. This is the fern plant. And petunia, it is also your flowering plant. Answer will be first C. So first answer is C. Question number 2. Match the following. Herb. What is the example of the herb? So herb, cabbage is the herb. Shrub. Henna is your shrub. Creeper. Bottle gourd is the creeper and pea is the climber. It is in the option number D. The second answer is option D. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not a primary function of root? Anchor the plant to soil. So yes, root anchors the plant to soil. It just holds the plant with the soil. It is written here. Okay. Absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Yes, it takes water and minerals from the soil, which is used in the leaf to do photosynthesis, to prepare their food. Gives color to the leaves. No, chlorophyll gives color to the leaf. So this is not the primary function, or even this is not the function of the plant. Prevents soil erosion. So yes, actually it holds the soil tightly. That's why it prevents the soil from erosion. The third answer will be your option C. Okay. Question number 4. Gulmohar is an example of shrub, herb, tree, creeper, or none of these. So you can see this is the Gulmohar tree. So this is a tree. So fourth answer will be option C. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the following plants have tap root system? So wheat, this is the picture of wheat and you can see it is showing as the fibrous root. It is not a tap root. Barley, uh, this is your also fibrous root. Grass, this is the picture of grass. It is also showing as your fibrous root and this is the tap root. So turnip is the tap root. Fifth answer will be option C. Okay. Now question number 6. A stem modification which has fibrous root system are the fibrous root system. Beetroot has the tap root. Ginger, this is the picture of the ginger and you can see fibers are present here. Okay. So ginger has the fibrous root system. Radish has the tap root. Turnip has the tap root. Option B. So sixth answer will be option B. Question number 7. Which among the following has reticulate venation? Actually, reticulate venation and parallel venation, it is found in the leaf. What is reticulate venation? So the if the uh, network of the veins will be like this is known as reticulate venation. And if it is like this parallel or it is like this parallel, then this type of venation is known as parallel venation. So plants in which seeds having single cotyledons? No. In which plants in which seeds having two cotyledons? So yes, two cotyledons means you can see the gram seed. If you just open the gram seed, so it has two parts. It is known as cotyledons. And if you just check the maize seeds, the maize seeds cannot be divided into two equal parts. So that is your single cotyledon. Plants having tap roots. So yes, actually plants having tap roots and two cotyledons, they both have the reticulate venation. That's why option will be D. Seventh answer is option D. Okay. Question number 8. In plant like grape, vine, weak stems are modified to form dash to support weak stems. So weak stems are modified to support the plant. Actually, grapevine is the climber. This is the modified stem and it is known as your tendrils. Okay, option B. Eighth answer is option B. Question number 9. Which among the following is not an underground stem? Ginger is the underground stem. Potato, underground stem. Sweet potato, it is the root, modified root. Okay. And garlic is the underground stem. The ninth answer will be your option C. Question number 10. A stalk which joins a flower to the stem is, so flower to stem. Flower and this part is your connected with the stem. So this is the pedicel. This is the pedicel. So 10th answer will be option A. Question number 12. Lamina is upper part of pedicel which is wide. A part of stem is type of a venation. Broad, flat, green portion of the leaf. The broad, flat and green portion of the leaf is the lamina. The 11th answer will be option B. Question number 12. Which among the following is not a part of carpel? So carpel is the female part of the plant. Okay, that is known as pistil also. The style, stigma and ovary is found in the carpel or you can say in the pistil. And stamen is the male part of the plant. Anther and filament is the part of male. So that's why female will be the answer because it is not a part of carpel. So 12th answer will be option B. Question number 13. Plants with fibrous roots have, if the root is fibrous, then parallel venation. If the root is tapped, then reticulate venation. So, fibrous root, parallel venation. 13th answer will be option B. Question number 14. Male part of the flower does not consist. Ovule. Ovule is found in the female part. Anther is the male part. Filament is the male part. So 14th answer will be your option A. Question number 15. Dash is the wider uppermost part of a pedicel. Wider uppermost part. So this is your pedicel which is connected with the stem and the uppermost part that is known as thalamus. So thalamus is in the option number C. So 15th answer will be your option C. Question number 16. A narrow stalk through which lamina is attached to the stem. So narrow stalk which is lamina is attached to the stem. So this is your stem and this is your petiole. Answer will be your petiole. So 16th answer is option C. 17. Which among the following plants have parallel venation in their leaves? So parallel venation in the wheat. Wheat has the parallel venation. They have the fibrous root also. So 17th answer will be option A. Question number 18. What is the other name of leaf blade? So leaf blade, it is a lamina. Okay, leaf blade is known as lamina. 18th answer will be your option D. Question number 19. Dust-like particle in the stamen of a flower. Stamen is the male part and dust-like particles, this is the pollen grains. This is the pollen grains. So 19th answer will be your option B. Question number 20. A main vein present in the center of lamina through which large number of veins spread out is known as. This is your main vein and through which various veins are coming out. So this is known as mid-range. Mid-range. So 20 answer will be option A. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.